Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Podcast 2.0. We are by your side. I am Jamie.
And I am Jack. This podcast is specially made for beginners and intermediate English learners.
Here, you will learn English through beautiful stories, daily life conversations, and travel experiences.
English learning tips for today. Don't try to understand every word. Just listen, feel the story, and repeat slowly. Simple English is powerful English.
Take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy the story. Let's begin our journey. Character introduction for podcast start. Narrator. Before we start the story, let me introduce the characters. Alex. Hi, my name is Alex. I am from New York, USA. I love traveling, learning new cultures, and meeting new people.
Hello, I'm Emma. I'm from California, USA. I love photography, writing travel journals, and learning languages.
Hey there, I'm Daniel. I'm a travel blogger from Texas, USA. Travel is my life, and stories are my passion.
E1 Story Part 1. The Dream of Travel begins. Narrator. It was a calm Sunday morning. The sun was soft and the sky was clear blue. Alex was sitting near the window with a cup of coffee. Emma was checking her camera photos. Daniel was typing on his laptop. Suddenly, Alex smiled.
Alex, do you know something? I feel like life is calling us to travel. Emma, smiling. Travel? That sounds like a beautiful idea. But where should we go? Daniel, why not around the world? They all laughed, but deep inside, the idea felt real. English tip. Pause and learn. Narrator. When Alex said, life is calling us, it means life is giving a feeling or desire to do something new.
Planning the journey. That evening, they sat together with a world map. Emma, I want to see the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Alex, I want to walk in London streets and talk to local people. Daniel, and I want to explore Asia, Japan, Thailand, and Bangladesh. They decided their journey would have 3 goals. 1, learn cultures. 2, meet people. And 3, improve English through conversation.
First destination, London, England. Narrator. After weeks of planning, packing, and dreaming, their first destination was London. The airplane landed slowly. Alex. Wow, this city feels historic. Emma. Look at the red buses. Everything looks like a movie scene. Daniel. This is where English was born. Perfect place to practice. Simple conversation. Listening practice. Local man. Excuse me, do you need any help? Emma. Yes, please. Can you tell us where the nearest subway station is? Local man, smiling. Sure, go straight, then turn left. English learning tip. Narrator. Did you notice? Simple sentences are enough to communicate. You don't need difficult grammar to speak English. Exploring London. They visited Big Ben, London Bridge, British Museum. Alex. Travel teaches us more than books. Emma. And English feels easier when we use it daily. Daniel. This is just the beginning. The night lights of London shined brightly. Their journey had truly begun. End of part 1. Soft outro. Narrator. This is the end of part 1 of our travel story. Practice tip for listeners. Replay this episode, repeat the dialogues loudly, pause, and shadow the speakers. In the next part, they will travel to Paris, France, where emotions, language, and culture will meet again. Say it with me. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Thank you for listening to Daily English Podcast 2.0. See you in the next part.
2.5. Part 2. Destination, Paris, France. Arrival in Paris. Early in the morning, the plane landed in Paris. The city of love, art, and history welcomed them with soft sunlight. Emma, excited. Paris looks so romantic already. Alex, I can feel peace in the air. Daniel, and English sounds different here. Let's listen carefully and speak slowly.
Checking in to the hotel. Hotel receptionist. Good morning. Welcome to Paris. Alex. Good morning. We have a reservation under the name Alex Johnson. Receptionist. Yes, sir. Here are your room keys. English learning tip. Narrator. Use polite words like good morning, please, thank you. Politeness makes your English sound natural. Visiting the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower stood tall and beautiful. Emma. I've seen this in pictures, but real life is magical. Alex. Travel teaches us patience and confidence. Daniel. And English feels easier when we don't fear mistakes. They took photos, talked to tourists, and shared smiles. Simple tourist conversation. Tourist woman. Can you take a photo for me, please? Emma. Of course. Tourist woman. Thank you so much. English tip. Phrase focus. Narrator. Remember this phrase. Can you take a photo for me, please? Very useful while traveling.
Dinner at a small cafe. They sat at a small cafe near the street. Waiter, what would you like to order? Alex, I would like coffee, please. Emma, I'll have pasta. Daniel, just water for me. English learning tip. Narrator, when ordering food, say, I would like, I'll have, simple and polite. Night walk and deep talk. Paris at night felt calm and emotional. Emma, travel helps us understand people. Alex, and English connects hearts, not just words. Daniel, mistakes are part of learning. They walked slowly, talking and laughing. Life lesson, easy English. Narrator, travel teaches confidence, patience, and communication. English becomes easy when we use it daily. End of the day. Back in the hotel, they felt tired but happy. Alex, tomorrow we go to another country. Emma, another story, another lesson. Daniel, our journey is just beginning.
This is the end of Part 2 and Part 2.5 Extra Story. Practice tip for listeners. Repeat cafe conversations. Practice ordering food in English. Speak slowly and clearly. In Part 3, they will travel to Rome, Italy, where history, culture, and English meet again. Say it with me. I am not afraid to speak English. Thank you for listening to Daily English Podcast 2.0. And now our beautiful journey comes to an end. Today, you didn't just listen to a travel story, you practiced real English. You heard simple conversations, and you learned that English is not hard. Remember this, you don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big words. You only need confidence and daily practice. Final English learning tips. Listen again and again. Repeat the dialogues loudly. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Narrator. Travel teaches us about the world. English helps us connect with people. If you listen every day, your English will improve naturally. Say this with me, slowly. I can learn English. I can speak English. I believe in myself. Thank you for spending your time with Daily English Podcast 2.0. If you enjoyed this story, listen again, share with friends, and keep learning. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning English. Goodbye, and see you soon.